Welcome, today I'm here with Realme Narzo 50i Prime and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display feature on this device. So fortunately we have now installed by default the Always On Display feature. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. And now we should enter activate the Play Store, the launch of the app, and here in the search bar we should enter the Movies Edge. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app and click Draw Our Apps. Then here tap to Movie Search application and click once on the swatcher. After that, just go back to the application, select the AD section and select one from these available tabs. For example, let's use this one. Just to apply the stamp, click here to apply on the right down corner, and now just let's lock the device. Tap twice on the power key button, and now we can see that the Always On Display feature is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.